Indonesia. This time discussing news reports of fires in Los Angeles County, USA, the United States, which are released circulation on all social media and television. Let's look at the following news. Have there been deaths and injuries? At least 29 people have died in the fires, according to Los County officials. The county medical examiner's office is still investigating many of the deaths. The department noted that confirmed human remains until it closes down its specialty. At least 17 of the deaths were in the Eaton fire and 12 Palisade fire, according to the medical examiner's office. The medical examiner's office said it will take weeks to confirm the identitas killing. Officials have warned that the death toll could grow. Los Angeles County Fire Chief Anthony Maron cited a significant number of people who did not hit evacuation orders have been injured in the Palisade fire. He also cited there have been significant injuries in the Eaton fire. I'm Jackie Tulusna saying goodbye to these news programs in Indonesia. Don't forget to always remain altered to natural disasters and fires. That's all until next time in the next programs in Indonesia. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.